Welcome to Ghost Academy. Today I am going to explain my Python music player code. I have imported several modules, Tkinter, Pillow, Mutagen, i3, etc. Tkinter is to build GUIs, Pillow is for resizing images, Mutagen is for retrieving thumbnail from song file, and i3 is for retrieving songs details such as artist, title, and duration. As here we have a function called roundedImg. It is to round the edges of song thumbnail. Next function is getDetail. It gets details from the MP3 file. Next one is getThumb. It retrieves the thumbnail if it exists in MP3 file. So here we load needed image and GIF files to variables. Now I'm adding frames to set the layout of my program so I can add widgets inside it. In here I change directory to Downloads folder. Another function named dblClick. It is to play song when double-click playlist item. Defining playlist list box and inserting items. Another function named loadFolder. It is to load songs from chosen folder. Function named playNextAuto is to play next song. Marquee set function is to set song title in Canvas. Shift function is to animate song title. Play function is used to play, pause and unpause song. Stop next previous functions are to stop song, play next song, and play previous song. There's a class called ImageLabel, and inside it there are functions to play GIF animation. In here there's assigning widgets to variables. Widgets are buttons, labels, tooltips. In this section I have made the canvas. It is to display song title. It is connected with shift and marquee set functions. And finally, setting song title as Python. The program starts and set duration is 0 seconds. And the main loop.